Hello everybody, this is David today. I was trying to explain to you guys, a lot of people asking what the icon agent means with the company. I got my icon agent status already for second time. So as a agent of the company, when you cap, which means you pay $16,000 to the company and you cap, then after you cap, you get about 20 more deal or transaction. If you like a team member, that would be, you have team member deal, that would be half of it. But anyway, you pay $250 each transaction, so about $5,000 toward the company. You can go with that online. I just print that out right here, right? So you pay annually $16,000 cap to the company transaction fee of $5,000. So after you cap $16,000, you pay $5,000 toward the company, or your annual gross income of $500,000 or more, and you close at least 10 deals, and you pay $5,000 in the cap toward the company, then you be an icon. So and there's other thing about mega agent and team leadership and all that stuff. So the icon vest, what they do, the icon vest, hey, want it? Icon vest, icon, both new and recur, be interviewed. Congratulations, Juanette. I know that you had a new partner coming in the team. I just helped sign up one of the guys today, but I'm going to introduce you later on. He speaks Cambodian. His wife speaks from Vietnamese, Cambodian, and Thai, and of course English. A great guy. He able to finish the class in about 4 weeks, and sign up to take a test in 1 week. And he licensed right now. He passed the test within about 5 to 6 weeks. But anyway, get back to the icon candidate. It both have to be new return interview. They interview you, and do you be qualified for the icon? So what do they give you? Thank you, Juanette. They gave you $8,000. Yeah. There's something right there. Get something? What's that? I got delivery today? Thank you, Dalina. I get something coming in. My wife just brought me something here. I don't know. It's a war. It could be something in the gap. We got it. Okay, wow. Check it out. Got a Sprite. Wow. Oh, wow. This is my second icon that just sent me in the mail. See it? Let me see. I can reverse. All right. So now you can read it. Can you see it? Yeah. So this is from 9/1/2019 to 8/31/2020. Within the time year, this is your world. So if you are capped already at another location, that's not a people explained about how you're going to be. When you cap another location, you came here, you will be 100% already. And then when you start over, at the time, at the year you cap. So you not lose. You want to come, you want to join, get back to whoever introduced it to you. If you do not have anybody, this is the first time you can call me or anybody that you know, and they explain about. So with the icon agent, you get $8,000 right away in stocks. Okay, they gave you stock for $8,000, and then the second way you get another $4,000 is for you to be a mentor, certified mentor, or you be teaching the class in the icon, which is I did, and also I'm a certified mentor, so that guarantee you to get another $4,000. And we have 2 events a year. It's either we usually is offline, but the reason one because of COVID-19 we do online. So you attend the online event You know, there was some guideline that you got to follow. You got your $2,000. So and then another event to a year to submit and what they're gonna call shareholder. So two of that event you get your 4,000. So that's 16,000 right there. The good thing about that event is an Icon Stock agent is that what I saw is we can help in a lot of agents out there, either new or own or don't have a lot of production. You can learn for free from the program that they have. So you can learn that for free from the program that they have, the Icons. We have Icons meeting every Friday, right, in eXp World. Some of your guys may miss that, but they have I still learning too. I pick up a lot of information from that. It's a surprise gift today. They just gave it to me. They just delivered. My girl just gave it to me right here. This is the second Icon agent status that I have. So it look a little bit different from last year. This is my Icon 2019 last year. And this is (2020). See, that's a little bit different right here. This have the year on it, 2019. This have the year from the date that I start. So you know, most of that guys know I've been with Carlisle since 2002, and I've been with them. We got a 5-year, 10-year. I got 15 years with Carlisle. Right, this is 5-year service. Right, 5-year service Carlisle. We got 10 years service for Carlisle. Because of the business, I've been 16 years. They don't have a 15 year anymore. They stopped giving out award, giving out gifts, souvenir, because the market crashed. So they don't do that anymore. We used to go to trips, stuff like that. But with the way that eXp reward, everybody company have a different. They reward you stock, they reward you income. Good morning, chị Thủy. So they reward you with stock. So my $2,000 stock now worth about $8,000 to $10,000 now, because they gave me at $8. So you can come in, you says 2,000 divided by $8, and then you go to see how many shares that is, and you multiply by the current market. It's like $40-something. And really appreciate everybody here that send me refers. Appreciate all the partner with eXp. Appreciate every association I'm dealing with from my previous company and in the Memphis area association, Realtor. All the real wonderful Realtor that I'm co-op working with. And appreciate the company gave me opportunity to serve, to help out, to help the company grow, and help other agents to be better, and to be mentored, to be leading, to be helping other people better their life, better their chance. And thank you so much. Thanks again. And it's a surprise for me that I just got this again today. This is my second award right here that I have, Icon. And keep continue serving. I wouldn't able to be here without all you guys been helping me out. Okay. I'm going to speak something in my Vietnamese audience. Cảm ơn tất cả mọi người hôm nay là được cái second award của công ty và Icon Agent. Một trong những người làm việc xuất sắc top 3% của công ty. Mình có khoảng chừng hơn 32.000 người, trong đó có khoảng chừng 700 mấy người là Icon Agent, một trong người top của công ty, với sự cống hiến và hỗ trợ rất nhiều người realtor cũng như rất nhiều người mua và người bán. Once again, thank you so much for your time, and that's hopefully can explain to you what Icon Agent is. And wish you all have a blessed day, a weekend coming up. Enjoy your time with your family and your friend. You all have a blessed day, okay? Bye-bye.